Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dinma. Yes, so today's look is quite simple. It's just a glitter liner and bold dark lips. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly how I achieved this look. Before we do that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, join the family, support the channel, and yeah, click that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without much further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. So for this video today, for this look, I'm going to start with my base first. And to prime my face, I already moisturized before I started the video. So to prime, I'm using the Pond's long lasting oil vanishing control cream. I believe that's how it is, that's the name of it. I believe that's it. So yeah, it's just a mattifying powder basically. So now we're going to move into foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 340 cappuccino. I'm just going to spread that all over my face. The reason why I'm doing all of this dots and everything is because I'm filming an Instagram video at the same time I'm filming the YouTube video. So I'm trying to create some, I'm trying to make the video enjoyable for you guys on Instagram. So that's just what I'm doing. That was why I created the dots. So I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend out our foundation. Concealer, I'm using the Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I mixed it with a little bit of yellow corrector. I'm just going to use a concealer brush to apply that underneath my eyes, the bridge of our nose, the forehead, the cupid's bow, and our chin. Today I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Truffle, which is not quite dark as I expected it to be, but we're just going to work with it. I already applied it, so we're just going to work with it, and we're going to reinforce it later on with a powder contour just to make it a bit more darker than it already is. Because compared to the Jordana foundation which I used to contour, this is really light compared to it, and I want to go a tad bit darker than this. So we're just going to reinforce this with a dark powder. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to contour my forehead, underneath my cheekbones, and the sides of my nose. I'm using a Real Techniques angled brush to blend out the contour. As you guys can see, it's very light. It's almost like it's really close to my skin tone. I think it's just like one shade darker than my skin tone. I could almost use this for a foundation. I think I could work with this as a foundation. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that out first, and then I'm going to take the excess and apply that to our jaw lines. And to blend out our concealer, I'm using the beauty blender, the pointy part of the beauty blender. So I'm going to blend out our concealer. So I'm taking that concealer to also to my eyelid, because we're not going to bring a shadow today, it's just a wing liner. So I'm just going to use the beauty blender with the concealer and just what am I going to say, so I'm just going to apply the excess to our lid so that it is even and everything is tied together. I'm using the bottom of the beauty blender which we used to blend out our foundation to try to blend in our concealer with our contour so there are no harsh lines. So that's what I'm just doing basically. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup to set our concealer. Everywhere we applied our concealer, I'm just going to set that quickly with the powder to avoid any crease. I'm using the Zaron mattifying powder to set the rest of my face to get rid of any shine and oil. So yeah. Now, as I said, we're going to apply a powder, and I use the Olive Pride Face palette. I use the darkest shade in that palette to, bronze and contour at the same time. Because, like I said, that Maybelline foundation was not dark enough to give me the depth and shadow that I want. And I'm using this blush is from Amlo Cosmetics. I'm just using that to also reapply the powder to our nose to sharpen everything up. Yeah. Now it's time for a reverse contour. I'm using the Mercier translucent powder to do a reverse contour and bake at the same time. Moving on to our brows, lately I've been loving a really, like I don't do too much to my brows. I just quickly fill it up. I don't want it to be perfect or anything. I don't really concentrate on my brows these days. I just, fill it up, create some full hair and conceal it. So that's what I do. I don't even conceal the top of my brows. So yeah, that's it. Very simple brow and quick to do. Moving on, I'm just going to create a black liner. I didn't show you guys the complete video, but I'm just going to create a wing liner using the gel product, and then I'm going to apply glitter, gold glitters on top of it. So that was what I basically did. I applied my lashes off camera. These lashes are the 5 pair lashes from Cosmetics. So I applied that, and I applied a red shade, no, an orange, a burnt orange shade of shadow, a burnt orange shadow to my lower lash line. I applied my mousse with liners and bottom mascara, and for lips I'm using a classic liquid lipstick in the shade Gossip, and this lipstick is the bomb. Like, its quality is top notch, as it doesn't get sticky, it dries down to a powdery velvet finish. Like, it's so lightweight, and it's a very nice lipstick, and the color is very cool. And I don't really crave much for dark lips, but this lip, like, I love it. I love it. I'm just going to apply that, and I lined my lips before I applied the lipstick, so it will be easier for me to do it. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Yep, I'm back. Wig is on. Yep, the wig is on, and this is the finished look. I'm so happy with how it came out, how it turned out. Everything is complete, and I'm in love with the look. It's very simple. This could be your everyday go-to makeup look. You can just ditch out the glitters, and just do your wing black liner, and this could be an everyday look for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching today's videos. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for the love on my last video. Like, it got tons of love and support. My last video, the New Year's Eve makeup inspired look, that one, yeah. So it got lots of love and support, and I'm so happy about that. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video too. So please subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so you get notified. Follow me on all social media platforms. It's Dinma Coco on Instagram, and on Twitter, Snapchat. It's Dinma Coco, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.